Starting. Oh, and we are live. So today we are trying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products from Japan. Ooh, Esper, guess what this is?
What is it?
It's a blueberry asparagus. So this is
And does it sound good? Oh.
the asparagus, you know the asparagus, right?
Yeah.
So, Nanya, I'm showing the price. It's blueberry and it's the asparagus and it's made in Japan. Hi, Mom. Mom's watching. Okay. Nobody needs to know how much Japan products are, but they are expensive. And so, we're gonna try this one first. And today it's gonna be Sean joining me, not Esper. Got a big bag, but it's so little. And it's mini asparagus. Okay.
Isn't that on the red bag?
Yeah, the asparagus. But it's blueberry too.
And not on the.
Huh?
And not on the.
Yeah, that one is good too. I don't really understand. Miss your mom. I don't really understand the. Okay, let's try the ones that we think is not that good first, and then we'll save the best for last. Okay, we have cream, cologne, however you say it. Cologne cotton candy. And product of Japan.
Cigarette.
Okay, let's see. The asparagus though is good. Ooh, that's so cute. The package is in a box. Ooh, you know what it smells like? It smells like the cake mix. The Okay. So the middle is soft. Oh my god, excuse my nose. The middle is soft and the outside is like wafers, I think. But it's really good. Oh wow, so far everything is okay. There is no, I don't know if this is the, yeah, I think this is the brand. This is the brand and this is the maker. Made in Japan also. Poki Ichigo strawberry. And this is how it looks. It's a share happiness. So let me share some of my happiness with this. Oh, Craig would definitely eat this because it's strawberry. He loves strawberry.
You have to talk louder.
Can you guys hear me? Maybe your phone is low. What? You like it? Mm-mm. Oh yeah. So you can see this is like smooth, right? Okay. Showing you guys that because Esper, do you want some? The reason I was showing you that is because this one here is
Not my son.
smooth. Sorry. So it's a strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks. There's 2 packs in here. Oh, that's nice, and it's heart-shaped sticks.
Okay.
Also made in Japan. Mom, let's work. This one here, right here.
Come and help yourself.
She asked me. I like how everything is in a package, the box, and then there's a package. So,
You know, you're gonna finish this or just
I'm gonna bring it in and I'm gonna. Oh, happy birthday, Johnny, for watching. Happy birthday. That's good. That's the one right there.
Johnny who?
Oba Ninja.
Oh.
Mommy's.
Oh, he's Oba Ninja?
Huh?
He's Oba Ninja?
Yeah.
Tell him he's not Oba Ninja. This boy is Oba Ninja. Can I open this one next?
Oh, so hold on. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna show them. So if you're gonna, they're both basically the same because they're strawberry, but I would prefer the heart. Not because it has a heart, but
This one.
it's you haven't. Have you tried this yet?
No? Everything better?
Don't touch that. That's for Dad. Let's see.
I'm gonna try everything.
Yeah, but
Isn't this the same?
yeah, but this one's better.
So you look
I can
better.
better.
Yeah. See,
Does it have a strawberry thingy?
like real strawberries, right? Like I think this one's better. So all 3 of us prefer this one. It actually tastes like strawberry, not like this one. This one's like more of milk than strawberry. That is good. Okay. I'm gonna save this for that. But here it is. Okay. Oh. And the next one is
Oh yeah.
chocolate almond crush. Oh, you can put a message. So it's the same thing as this, but it's almond, chocolate almond. Also from Japan. You can put a message here.
I'm gonna
So,
try this.
so for Christmas, I'm gonna buy this for all the kids and just, put the message right there. Ooh, also comes in a package.
Oh,
wow.
my god.
So this big box only has 10 pieces.
That'll take 4.
No, that's 5. So there's 2 packages, makes it 10.
Tapos?
You want me to open it first? So this is how
You're forgetting about your sister already?
I'm gonna give him it, but you're the one that's sticking out your hand. He's my partner tonight.
Hey, cut off it.
Oh, you don't like it? Okay, let me try that because I might not like it because I'm not a peanut fan. It almost looks like Rocky Road. It looks almost damaged or something. I don't know.
It is good.
Really? Ew, you can really smell the peanut on it. Let's try it. Sean. Nope. Mira.
Give me that one.
I'm gonna give it to Dad. Let him try it.
There's chocolate though. You don't know your husband's allergic to chocolate?
I do, but
He's
I.
allergic to chocolate.
She wants him to get into it.
You can eat a lot, but that's not even a lot.
Oh yeah, here.
No, never mind.
I want to give him this one.
So this one is white cookie. It says harmony of crunchy cookies and white
Oreos.
chocolate.
The Oreos?
It's white chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Okay, I may have
Huh?
read this wrong,
Your phone?
Yeah.
You're
but
watching.
this is a product of
Alright, Susan?
Malaysia, I think.
Mom, can I have that? Mom,
What?
what are we doing?
It says imported in Kuwait.
Yeah, I can read Japanese.
Oh my god, imported in Iran. Oh, it's
That one I'm bobbing.
Is that crazy? And it's produced in South Korea.
Thank God.
Imported in Saudi Arabia.
So,
Saudi Arabia.
That's where Ross' girlfriend's from.
Okay, so I'm guessing the Pocky is from Japan, and then the Lotte.
How did?
Okay, I'm confused.
no one reason it, they just eat it.
We always have to read it because it says here Korea, but then in the back it's saying where it's. Never mind. Let's just try it out. Also boxed and packaged. Are you video chatting? Oh,
I'll do it.
it feels like that one over there. It feels like the one you're eating.
John?
Shani!
Mario.
Shanshan! Shanshan!
That's what one I'm talking about.
Hi, Shanshan!
John, check. And daughter Sean.
How do you smell it?
Thunder.
Are you gonna try one? So I'm gonna take out 3.
This one's good. Oh wait, not the package of this.
No, I think this one I can eat everything.
So this is.
I ate that before.
Really?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna try him about?
You're so mean.
I'm just joking.
They showed this in school.
Oh really?
They do?
Yeah.
This is how it looks like. Oh my goodness.
Wait, tell me.
Woo! Double chin on point. It almost looks like cookies and cream. Does it taste like cookies and cream, guys?
I think it is. Not the Oreos. Right?
Let's.
That is cookies and cream.
Let's go to McDonald's and we go live there.
Jack in the Box.
Oh yeah. But I like
Burger
McDonald's.
King.
We went there twice and you guys didn't go live.
Burger King.
We should start going live.
Internet niya?
Burger
They have
King.
Wi-Fi.
Burger King.
Wendy's.
No,
Oh,
but
we know.
the other Wi-Fi might be slow and they might complain.
Ask the watchers to fix it.
Please.
Yuck. Yuck.
Put the food in your mouth.
Hey.
Finish
Finish
it.
that.
You're not getting up the table.
It doesn't have tea.
Finish it. I don't even know why I get shy
It's
about
not
this.
funny.
Yeah, never like she's manyata.
Oh.
Oh. Guys, don't talk like that because we're live.
The only one Minyata here is you.
Hey, I only talk to my senior. That's not
Oh my god! Speaking of, you was talking your sleep and me and my mom started laughing. Because we were
This
watching,
morning?
we were
Yeah.
watching and then after they said something,
You
you're
really,
like,
oh yeah? Or something?
no, you're like,
Oh my god, so the live feed got, what do you say?
Wait, I'm gonna message you, Ross, to watch your live video.
Wow. Let me take my glasses. What's up, ladies?
Ano? Where's our drink?
Woo!
What
An
drink?
avocado?
Din!
What?
Bring na back up and eat it now.
Which one?
Yeah, Mom, that's not. Mom.
Mmm.
Just so you guys know, she put that in the trash.
No, I didn't.
She did.
It was a plastic bag full of trash. It's not a trash can though. It's clean trash.
Let's try this.
We really did. Mom, that's
No, we didn't try that.
What the hell?
There's different kinds.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Want
but
smash?
it's liquid inside.
Alright.
It's liquor.
And you might as well open it and eat it because it's gonna have ants.
Then this one's been here for already month.
Oh,
There are plenty of these. Mom, we should open this and eat it with soy sauce.
yeah.
Yeah.
People say that's
Sup, Keish? We miss you.
What'd you say, Manny?
Look at this filter. It's freaking nice.
Oh, 100?
I would talk about politics, but I'm not really into politics.
You're not
Why
a
you talk about
Republican?
that?
So,
You're not a
because
Republican?
that's what people do when they're live. They talk about food stamp. They talk about, but me, I want to talk about food. So,
I can see that.
Esper's teasing me.
Let's talk about jaywalking.
Yeah.
Because that's what we always do.
Not me, only you too.